Welcome to Cloud Tech Solutions. So, as you know, right now the current market is booming towards cloud solutions. So, for that, we are going to start training on Amazon Web Services. So, for free of cost, I can cover all the services which are providing AWS servers. So, most of the services I can cover it here. So, let's go for AWS training session, which what I can provide for you. So the agenda of this session is introduction about Amazon, what is AWS, what is cloud platform, what are the advantages can provide by AWS, understanding the course content, target audience, so who can learn this course. So what is Amazon? Amazon is a big company, as everybody know. So Amazon can provide the computing platform services. It is one of the services Amazon is providing. So let's have a look about the details about Amazon. And what is AWS? So AWS is Amazon Web Services. Amazon Web Services is a collection of remote computing services that can together make up a cloud computing platform. So it is providing a cloud computing platform. What is cloud computing platform? As earlier cases, every organization have their own data centers to run their business smoothly. So to set up the data centers, it is very cost effective, and it is very difficult to manage the data centers, especially at the disaster recovery time and all. So for that, Amazon is providing a cloud computing platform without any physical setup of data center from your organization. It can provide all the services. It can provide all the services, including storage, backup services, hardware, networking, everything we can everything AWS can provide. And the best the best thing from AWS, it is providing all the services. We can automate all the services without without any intervention. So we can deep dive into the AWS in further classes. Just go for what AWS offers. So AWS offers high availability of their cloud computing infrastructure, and scalability, and pay as you go. Let's explore these three words. What is high availability? AWS can assure 99.99% of availability of your cloud infrastructure. So scalability. What is scalability? Scalability in general meaning of scalability is grow grow in a size. So ability to grow in a size in terms of storage, in terms of hardware, in terms of service. So you can grow your cloud infrastructure as per your demand. So instant elasticity, it means scaling up and scaling down. As I said, you can scale up your business as scale down your business. Sorry, scale down your infrastructure. So what is scalability? We can have an example. As you know, Amazon, Flipkart, these e-commerce services, they are offering for big billion days and all, right. So at that time, user flow is very high. So with the current infrastructure, the user usage is more. So at that time, those companies can use these scalability option. So whenever the users are increasing, their instances are also increasing automatically. Whenever users are decreasing, their instance also decreasing automatically. So without any physical intervention, so they can automate all these stuff by using AWS cloud computing platform. It eliminates the guessing on your infrastructure capacity needs. So it's one of the best feature AWS can provide the scalability. So pay as you go. So pay as you go means, so whatever the services you are using, you can pay for those services. Suppose if you are using for normal instances, you can pay for that instances. So you can use some particular storage, you can pay for that particular storage. No need to pay all the amount to all the services. So whatever the services you are using, you just pay that amount to AWS. Later on, if you want to enhance your software and enhance your usage, you can just select the services and you can just pay to the AWS. So Gartner Magic. So as you know, Gartner Magic is a global research company. So as per the Gartner research, now the AWS is the one of top leader of this cloud computing. Almost majority of the services AWS occupied in the leading industry. So in future, cloud computing, without cloud computing, we cannot imagine our infrastructure will have. So definitely next decade, we are working on cloud computing only. So as part of my training, so I am providing these many list of services. So it is EC2, S3, IAM, ELB. So we can go for each one in coming session. Just I am listing out what are the services I can cover in this YouTube channel. So I can cover almost all these 17 list of services with real cases also. So what about the certification? So everybody is learning their technologies, means we have to be certified. It adds value to our profile. So for that, so we have to write AWS certification also. It is not a mandatory, but it is a weightage to your profile. So for that, you have to write AWS certified solution architect, or AWS certified developer, or AWS SysOps administrator. So you can write any one of these certification, then only you are eligible for the next level of certification. So this is about the AWS introduction, and in coming classes, what I have to cover. So I can showcase here. So these services we are going to cover as part of our training and as part of our YouTube channel also. So I can cover all these services with the real-time usage. I can club at the end. I can club all these services with the real cases, one end-to-end implementation project also. So please stay tuned to Cloud Tech Solutions. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.